Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be another Nose Hill Park day, which it's a bit chilly out. So yeah, we're here with our pup. Oops, stuck my finger in the way. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, it is. Huh?
Yeah, there's water in the grass. Oh, should have worked out. Ah, you're going again? No. Don't look very busy in there.
No. Oh my god, Mom. Oh.
You gotta come here.
Mom!
Oops. Throw it.
No,
No. Here, go get it.
My squishy. This is what my mom dropped. My squishy. Stay. Miata, come back.
Here, give me.
Thank you, Mommy.
Just hold on, Miata. Run, puppy, run!
I'll catch up. I said I'll catch up. What, this one?
Yeah, where does it? I wonder how we get onto it.
We could try it.
Oh, I don't want to climb. I want to go down.
But if we climb it, we'll lose weight.
Oh God!
What?
Did it kill me today?
No,
Oh, but then there's no puppies.
there's not going to be any puppies anyway. And she'll be tired. Well, because she'll go up the hill and that'll make her tired.
Trying to kill me.
Okay, I guess today we're taking a different path.
Yeah, she's trying to kill me.
No,
Yeah,
I just thought it'll be good for the video too.
yeah, and I'll be gonna want to do cleaning when we get home. Should have done it before we came.
Yeah, we should have.
I shouldn't open my mouth anymore.
Why? See, Miata's enjoying it.
Oh, well, I'm not. I would rather it come down, but you know what? There's so much time where it really comes up.
Yeah. Huh?
Look how big that hill is. No, we're not going that way. Let's go this way.
That's too muddy. Miata, come on.
This side.
This way.
Hey,
This way.
over here.
Do you think my YouTube channel will boom
Yeah.
soon? Like this year?
I don't know. It takes time. You gotta do different ones though. I think you need to do that one. I'll talk about.
Of winners?
Yeah. And different others first too.
Yeah, like Dollarama.
Well, Dollarama's kind of hard.
Yeah. Whoa,
Come on,
Miata.
this way. Whoa. Yeah, Miata, pull me up. Pull.
Woo. Almost fell.
Ew, don't.
Miata.
Get from that. Pull. Pull. You're no help. You're crazy. Come say hi.
Miata, come say hi.
It's okay. Whoa, Miata! Get back this way.
What nice ladies.
Yeah.
It's already at 8 minutes. Yeah, thank you for holding my tripod.
Yeah. Yeah, that hurt. She pulled my
Wrist?
no, my hand. She rubbed the thing on my hand.
Oh, the side.
I just dropped her.
Don't be doing that, Mom.
Well, she went back that way and it caught me off guard. Oh.
This is actually a nice walk. This video will get some views. Actually, tons of views.
I don't know where this goes.
I don't know.
Come on.
We'll find out though.
Oh, hold on. You got my leg. Hold on. Okay, come on. Stop the smell of poop. Come on. Come on.
save that rock star till after.
Why?
Because I'm tired.
Yeah, we'll get it clean.
Yeah.
I hope this goes out to the sidewalk.
Hope so.
It's got it.
Yeah. Miata, come on. She's smelling dirt. Oh,
Let's do something.
yeah. I don't know.
I think that's the bench. Wow. Come on.
What a beautiful view from here.
Oh yeah.
I'm glad I talked to you into
Ew.
going. I'm glad I talked to you into going this way.
Yeah, I just hope we can get back over there.
Yeah. Oh, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like, and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, get me to 10,000 subscribers, please.
Come on. The first path we see.
Ooh, beautiful.
Ooh.
What?
No idea.
Oh my god! We're on the side of New's Hill.
Yeah.
We're near Shaken Happy. Huh?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay. What goes up there?
Hope not.
Oh my god.
Muddy?
I don't know if I like it here.
Why? This is a good path to take. Huh?
Something over there. I think it's moving.
I don't see anything.
It's pretty bad.
You mean that thing that's sticking up? That's nothing.
Sure?
Yeah? That's nothing.
You sure?
Yes. Miata would have noticed it right away.
She's not paying attention.
See, it's just plants. Huh?
Okay, keep pulling. I'm getting tired of it.
Yada, calm down.
See, she's not seeing dogs this way though.
New smells. Huh? That'll make her tired.
Yeah, but she has dogs too.
Yeah. Fuck.
I want to go through those trees. There's a path right here, but
Yeah. Oh, it's a sign.
oh,
That's a sign.
oh, so this must be a path.
Yeah, it is a path. The sign's right there. And you thought it was an animal. How could a sign move?
I don't know. Never mind.
Yeah, I'll just go to it and... See?
Oh, yeah.
It's just the sign. They have those all over the trail.
Yeah, so it must be an actual trail.
Yeah.
Probably a bike trail.
Yeah.
Let's hope it leads us out.
It should. It's curving.
Yeah.
You just gotta get motive to do it.
Well, hope it leads to do it.
This might be a 20-minute video, maybe longer. But it's good to take different paths, Mom.
It's warm over here.
Huh?
It's warm over here.
Yeah. Then people will actually watch my videos if it's a different path.
Yeah. Well, maybe we'll do a different video.
Sure. I like the sound of that. I don't mind that. Do you know what day we're going next week? Okay. You guys stay tuned for next week videos. We'll be going on a different path next week. So watch for that video next week sometime.
Oh, gotta.
She can't.
There.
Those are the ones that Connor told us not to have her go near, is it? No. Yeah, winter's fine, but in the summer, I think those are the ones that she told us not to have her near. Well, it is spring.
Well, I know.
Bugs have been out. Wasps have been out when it's been cold.
Wait, it's like, hey, hey!
Miata!
Hey,
Yeah. That tree that hangs above our compound, that's starting to bloom.
just got the seeds on it. Oh my god. You gotta stop pulling. Over here.
Miata! Miata!
Come on. Stop eating. Oh my gosh, she just ate a fucking berry.
Miata!
Okay, we can't go this way again.
No. head. See? It goes out to the pathway there. Or if you want, we can take a right and keep going.
Let's go left.
We can always come back this way another time. Or not this path though. Like we can come up over there and take the cut and go up there.
Yeah. Hey. Come on. This way.
Yada!
Oh. You told me it was only 20 minutes.
Yep. Oh, 22 now.
Should we go that way? Make it longer?
Sure.
Hold on. Take her for a minute. I want to get a picture of these. Google after. Are you thirsty? Come here. Yes, but... You okay? Wow, thirsty girl. Okay, hold on. So I think I can put him in Google right now.
Google AI.
Yeah. Miata.
I've tried Facebook AI and it won't let me. Mom, her foot.
What?
She's tangled.
Okay, we'll just wait.
Yada. Ooh! Send me those. Yada.
Here we go. Get! Miata!
Miata. Oh shoot. There's a guy coming. Oh, and I left her treat bag in the car.
Good job.
You're welcome.
Ew.
That was a good girl. You get a treat when we get back, Miata.
These ones are blurry. I can't get these ones. Oh, you poor girl. Okay. There. Alright. I'll try it after. Alright, let's go. Come in.
Oh!
Nope, you're not coming.
I put it around my wrist because
Come on.
I was going to try to find the Google app. Because I know the Google web, you can do it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've done it before. And I think there's one for like plants and all that.
You know what? Let's go back that way.
You sure?
Yeah. I don't know where this is gonna go.
You
Oh,
never
yeah.
know until we try.
We gotta clean the house.
Yeah. It won't take us that long. Are there berries this way?
I don't know.
Because I got the app up.
I was gonna put it in the app.
Oh, there is pictures there.
Okay, this doesn't.
It takes us over there.
Yeah. We could do
'Cause
this another day.
Yeah, I see a path over there.
Yeah, we can do this next time. But we'll come up the sidewalk and then this way.
Yeah. Didn't I say that before?
But we're gonna go our normal way and then turn.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What
you
should
dude?
she just grab?
I have no idea.
Oh. 27 minutes already.
We'll have to see about those first. Because if they're toxic, then we can't come this way.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
What?
The bright red spots contrast with the dry grass, indicating fresh blood.
Okay, come on, we'll do it at home.
Because you got a good picture of it, don't you? Yeah, because it just said that it indicates the dry grass.
Well, I ain't no fresh blood.
Yeah. Sounds like she's getting tired already. Oh.
Yeah.
Which, that's good. Oh. She'll be out when we get home.
Yeah. I feel bad. Shit, eating the pups.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm not even here either.
No.
Fix her.
Wait, we gotta... There you go. Whoa!
She's not the only
Whoa!
one that's tired.
Huh?
She's not the only one that's tired.
I'm tired too.
Me too. Holy.
"29 minutes already."
Holy.
We walked down that path for 29 minutes? What the hell is that yellow thing over there behind the trees?
I don't know.
Do you see it? Do you see it?
Yeah. Come here.
Guys, comment down below.
Well, they don't live in Calgary. If they don't live in Calgary, they won't know.
Well, for
Hi.
people that live here. Tell me, if you live here, tell me what that yellow thing is.
Yeah, I know it's thirsty.
Guess not. Just look at the mountains.
That's beautiful.
It is. 30 minutes already. Oh! Okay. My mouth is dry.
Oh, so is mine. Hi, the dog.
Oh, finally.
Come on.
But they're not coming this way, are they?
Oh, maybe they're on the path.
Like, coming our way. Oh,
Well, if we can get up there.
something's diving into my foot.
Grab it.
know what the hell's stabbing me. But these are starting to rip from the inside.
Oh, good, they're coming this way.
Oh, good. She gets a dog interaction finally.
There's not many people here.
No,
It's very quiet.
it is. I'm already tired.
Me too. I want to sleep now.
No. If I'm not allowed, you're not allowed.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, you're not sure about that?
Have a good day. Come on.
That's one. 33 minutes.
Wow.
Nada, come on.
Really? You guys are kidding me. We're not staying this long. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, my friend. You thirsty? Want some water? Here. Oh, is it coming out? Is it not coming out? Hold on. Oh, there we go. That's it? All right. Oh, it'll be right there.
Oh, that's what she was looking at.
All right, let's go. Come on.
I'm sweating. Home.
Really? I know. Come on.
You might tear in to say hi. Watch your knees.
That's what she's waiting for.
Okay. Watch your knees now. Yeah. You might not even go. Oh, watch your knees. There you go. I heard there's a porcupine in the corner over there with the garbages.
Really?
A lady left here with her dog full, so she was rushing to the
And
car.
then we saw another
Watch
guy,
your-
and he said last week his dog got it.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
So he's in a, but he's on a leash, so you're.
So watch
Yeah.
your. Oh yeah, he's on a leash. So yeah, of course. But,
I'm glad we didn't go that way.
yeah.
Oh, actually, no, that's not where we
We'd
usually
have
go.
to go into their hole to,
Oh.
yeah, is what that guy said.
Well, that's how the other guy's dog got it. Bye, buddy.
Yeah, we took a different trail today.
Enjoy.
Thank you, you too. Okay, Miata. Let's fix your leash again.
Meet me at a. Here you go. You would probably have to, if your dog's like full of porcupine needles, you have to take it to the vet, don't
Yep.
you? Oh, Jesus. poor dogs.
Yeah.
That dog must be in pain from
yeah.
it. What corner?
Over there with some garbage. I don't know.
I didn't know there was porcupines here. That's good information for all of you guys too. If you guys have a dog and you guys want to take it to Nose Hill, be careful of porcupines.
I live in Calgary.
Yeah, if you live in Calgary, be careful of them. You don't want to have to make a vet trip.
I wonder. No, we gotta go this way. Puppies.
Yeah, there's one right there. That's 2 now that she saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first one and this one.
Very cute.
Oh, the way that it runs.
Oh.
It's adorable.
What a cutie.
Thanks.
Oh. Yeah.
Gonna pull you over. How old's your dog?
3?
Yeah,
3.
Thanks.
Yeah, still trouble.
Oh, she'll be 3 in November.
Oh,
She's
right.
2.
Oh, so still like young.
Yeah.
Rue? Hey. The monster with his teeth right now. Just like his favorite name. That's okay. He needs to be told a little. Hey.
How old is your dog?
He's 6 months.
Oh,
Aww.
Yeah.
still a pup.
Yeah, he's just a baby.
What breed is he?
Aussie Doodle.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah, his mom was a golden doodle.
Oh.
So it's an interesting combo.
Yeah.
You're gonna get all tangled up, huh?
Oh. Yeah, unfortunately we can't take her off.
Oh, that's alright. The long leash is a good idea. Sometimes he gets too excited. He loves people like a little bit too much. So I should probably get a long one for him.
Yeah, she doesn't have good recall. I think it's the
Sometimes
husky in her.
it depends on the day.
Oh,
He's very
she's...
food motivated, which is good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's treats, but I don't know here if she would come back.
Mm-hmm.
She's very stubborn. Yeah, I think it's a husky.
She's cute. Is it a
Cute.
husky mix or?
Yeah, she's a pumpsky.
Down. A husky. That's a fun name.
Yeah. I don't know where
Is
the
it Pomeranian or?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I don't know where it is. Yeah, we're gonna get a DNA test done on her to
Oh,
see
yeah?
for sure.
To see kind of like the percentage.
Yeah,
Mix?
'cause I don't know. And the guy we got her from is kind of...
Oh, we got him from Rocky Mountain. It was just like a family for down, family and their friend's dog. So they had like a litter of 10.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and they've never bred before, but they were fantastic. Like they were on a farm and they had like 5 kids, and yeah, they had him potty trained before we picked him up.
Aw.
So it was great. Felt bad even taking him from there. I'm like, oh my gosh, you have such a nice family here. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I didn't feel bad at all for her because we met him just outside Edmonton, and he had this van with about, 4 cages?
yeah,
And there was about 6 or 7
wow.
puppies in each.
and the one puked on her.
Yeah.
No.
They couldn't even lay down or nothing. They were standing
Oh,
because
so
there
you
was no
like
room.
rescued her from there.
Yeah. on, Miata.
Miata.
This way.
This is gonna be a long video.
Oh, there's more coming. That's 3.
Yep. 3 dogs.
See you.
Oh no. What do we do? Dogs are going that way, yeah. Cut, Mom, cut. Oh, damn.
She might be okay. We'll keep her short.
Come here. Oh my god.
Well, let's wait for this.
She was running away from me.
So tired. Oh. I'm tired too.
She's gonna be out like a light.
Me too.
No. You got cleaning to do.
Thank God we don't have to make supper.
No, yeah. Yeah.
I was talking to the kids tonight about finding what they want to do about Friday.
What about Friday?
If they want to do the fence on Friday, because
Oh,
Friday is the best day.
yeah. 20 degrees.
And
Can't complain about that.
it's supposed to rain Saturday, so I don't think they're going to want to do it in the rain.
No. And I don't think I want to take the table out when it's raining.
Yeah. I think it's...
Oh, Mom!
Oh, wait till we get to the...
Mom!
Are you thirsty?
She was looking at me.
Oh, you poor baby. He's so thirsty.
Oh my
We
god.
exercised you.
She's halfway through that already. I have water in the car, so.
You?
Yeah, in the back.
Holy. Oh,
Way to go, Mom.
wow. You've been drinking a lot.
Mm.
Oh, Miata, you're like totally tangled. No, Miata. Oh, look at your.
Oh, poor Miata.
Come on.
At least you got to see 3 dogs and played with one.
It's hard for a dog walker.
Yeah, I don't blame her. Oh.
There's like more coming. Let's go. We'll be back to the car soon.
Yeah. Yeah. Almost an hour. It's at 46
Thursday
minutes.
again?
It's at 46 minutes. Mom. It's almost an hour.
Holy. She keeps stopping and drinking. Uh-oh. You're almost done.
Oh no.
Holy. Are you finished? You finished? Oh.
Maybe I should keep an extra water bottle in my backpack.
More days, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. And if we do these kind of hikes, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, look at.
She practically done it.
Yep.
she'll be out like late when we get home. Yeah, she does. And it gives her energy too. Not much though. Oh my god.
Oh no.
What?
A shoe.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's 12:20.
Okay, we're going to the car. Come on. You don't have much left, baby.
Do I end the video here?
No.
Since okay.
Oh,
Since it's
maybe,
48 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna call it here since it's already at 48 minutes. If you guys like today's video, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and make sure to get me to 10 million subscribers, please.
10,000.
Or 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. Bye.